You are born with these Windows default fonts. That means typing encoded like TCP/3 or mini Windows couldn't work. So why don't we hurry to download fonts collection from Meowio house. Meowio, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download and install Meowio fonts collection. After downloading, you will have a file with 3,400 fonts. Go to C drive, go to Windows folder, then go to fonts folder, and then you choose what fonts you want to use, or all of them. Drag and drop to the fonts folder of system to install. The installation time takes for a while. The more fonts you choose, the more time you have to wait. And please pay attention that if there are any notifications like this, just tick to do this for all current items, then click no, because your current fonts are stable and maybe my fonts is older than yours. Yeah, we have done. Let's check it out. Like and comment if this video is useful. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell ting 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 to see my next videos. Bye!